Said I'm blind to you haters. United opposition, eh? Besema si tukiwa blind to the haters, nyinyi mko blind to anything that goes against Arsenal. Eh? Ai, hapana. Refaria mwabeba and other stories. Like, ikitu huwa ina apply tu ikikuja kwa Arsenal peke yake. It does not apply when it comes to other clubs. Sindio? Eh? First of all, Kai Havertz, the red card incident yesterday. Personally, I agree. That should have been a red card. He was very lucky not to get a red card. However, mnataka kusema hii bandi yenye ilikuwa na 0 shots on target. Hii ndio ingetufunga within the last 20 minutes. Just because Kai Havertz, a striker, got a red card. Hata si defender. Na mnajua vizuri, hata kama tungepata red card with leading with a goal. Hii si tungepack tu basi. Tucheze ya ramenye mezoea kusema tunacheze. I don't think we concede a goal with Havertz getting a red card. However, kuisema like ilikuwa na effect to the title race. And forgetting the fact that, ignoring, putting a blind eye, tumesema blind, to the fact that City literally gained a point from the Everton game. Na referees walikuja wakasema yes, ilifaa kuwa penalty. Hapo wangekuwa na, right now they have 77, meaning they'd have 76. They don't win that game with that penalty. I think wangekuwa na shindwa like, is it 4-1 or whatever? They don't get a point. Say yesterday, for instance, Burnley equalize. Let's assume they equalize. Ishe 1-1. We'll be at 80 points, City will be at 76 points. That puts the title race still at the same place. City still have to win all their games and we still have to go and, is it lose or draw points at Crystal Palace? So, same thing, it may happen too. Na hii mambo ya kuangalia ati referee akifanya makosa against Arsenal, it's a big thing, but ikikuja kwa other clubs, it does not apply. Man United literally got up 3 points against Nottingham Forest because the goal was scored, Bryan Mbeumo handball. Iyo haiwezi ongolewa. Ukiangalia hiyo fauli yenye Rice alikuwa nayo, is it 2 seasons ago? Kovacic did the same against, kwanza twice, Odegaard and Rice only got a yellow card, but ikikuja kwa Arsenal hapana, apewe red card direct. In fact, Foden this season amekanyaga basi, the same thing against Fulham. Tuache kukelea referees. I think kila mtu ashinde game zake. Naona bado tuko kwa anger stage, bakia, bargaining, depression, alafu acceptance. Tungoje Bournemouth leo jioni tuone.